Hi friends, I've been super busy because I bought one thing. Now my computer, my personal computer, is an AI machine thanks to its RTX 3090. Let me show you. Let me see. There you have it, my RTX working in my COVID master race, you would call it, that I bought in 2020, and now it has actually a 5-year-old graphic card, but you know, they are super expensive. What we are doing, and today what we are doing is trying it with a bit of benchmark, with LLM benchmark. And we are trying with different energy power configured, and let's see how it goes. Let's check the current setup. Just now what we have here is, this is the max power we have right now, which is a lot, 480 watts. And actually I think it's too much for my power supply perhaps, which is 750. So that's another reason to check a bit of undervolting. It says the requested power limit, current power limit. So this is the default. Let's see how inference works, how fast it works with the default setup. LLM benchmark. So we are running LLM benchmark, run. It detected my computer, RTX 3090, GPU memory free, 24 GB of my temperature is now, this is my CPU, recent operating system. And it's now benchmarking 75 tokens second with Phi model. The models that is trying, this tool tries are Phi, DeepSeek R1 and GPT-OSS 20B. This is quite huge. We are having like 75 tokens second, but the DeepSeek seems a little less. I'm now starting to hear the fans. The prompts are curious because it says like prompt, summarize the key differences between the classical and operant conditioning in psychology, and translation into Chinese and elaborate more. GPT-OSS seems like it's more efficient inferring tokens from GPT-OSS than from random DeepSeek. This is a faster model, I guess. Okay, and it finished with a GPU temperature of 62. Okay, what I'm doing is that I'm copying this data to a file along with the batch 480, which was 480. We are lowering to 350. A huge step, I guess. 350. I need to be admin. Power limit for GPU was set to 350 from 390. Okay, so the previous power limit was 390 actually. I'm changing that. It was 390. 390 batch limit. So let's try again. This time we have 350 batch maximum. So it's running again. The GPU temperature is now 40, so it has time to lower. And it's working again. Let's see the results. Okay, well now we have the results for 350. Now wait, I'm copying. Yeah, 350. It was okay. Max limit. Let's go to 325. Okay, so this was 325. Now we are trying with 300 watts. Now I'm asking to GPT-OSS to summarize this. Let's see how it goes. Analyze this undervolting results. You see how this is working. We are using the last configuration of batch, you know. Oh, lots of text, super verbose. Okay, so what does this say? Quick look summary. It says that lowering the TDP from 390 to 300 cuts the GPU temperature by 9 and saves 90 watts. Yeah, of course. All three LM interference times improved by 3.5. This is not well calculated. Inference times are the fastest. This is hallucinating a lot. Well, let's check manually. At least the table is okay. Yeah, it is, but the interpretation is bad. Is wrong. But you can see that the temperature, of course, lowered, and the inference time is quite good. 122 with DeepSeek, with GPT-OSS. Sorry. DeepSeek was 64. If you just need inference, undervolting is really interesting. If you need to run Cyberpunk in 4K, perhaps it's not so interesting, which is basically what I do this night. What I'm thinking is that for my usual normal use case, I will be using few hundred watts, and let's see how it goes. This way my power supply won't be until I change it to a new one, at least. Okay, see you.